Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And what have we got for you today? Well, I've been kindly sent some stuff by Your World of Building Blocks. And yeah, we've only gone and got ourselves some Lego motorbikes, folks. Whoa, look at that lot. Yeah, am I an happy bunny? I am so looking forward to these. And I blame Kevin, James and Ross for this because they've been nagging me to get some of this stuff. So yeah, I've now gone and done it. So we'll have a little looky-loo at what we got in the box here, folks. And as you can see, it's pretty full. So I'll just put the old instructions to one side and the box. And we'll have a little looky-loo. First up, we have got a Ducati Panigale. And look at that. That instruction book. It's like a phone book, isn't it? Look at that lot. And as you can see, it's really, really well laid out, folks. I am absolutely over the moon with this because I haven't done Lego since I was about 10 years old. So, yeah. And it looks like you can lay the Lego bits on the instructions as well to make sure you got the right one. So, yeah. So I'm going to match up what we got in the box to the instructions. You've got your kit number at the bottom there, in the bottom left-hand side. So I shall go through the box in a moment and match them all up just so that we can see what we got. But I should be doing this Panigale first because, yeah, I kind of want to because I do love a Ducati. And look at this sexy lot of decals, folks. Whoa, isn't it, eh? Hey? Yeah, look at you. Oh. So, yeah, we're going to be doing a bit of that. And then right at the back here, you've got all your items, like a bit like a sprue chart, all your pieces that you should have with quantities. So you can open your bags and check that you've got whatever you need in there for the bike. Your tyres, all of that lot. It's all listed as a box contents, folks. So just lets you know. And look at that. It's going to look really good. It comes with a paddock stand and all, which is a nice touch. And yeah, I'm really impressed with the quality of how this is all presented because when you're a noob like me or you've been out the loop, nothing worse than having a big bag of Lego, scratching your head and going, what do I do with it? So this gives you an idea, folks. So yeah, mightily impressed with that. Really good quality set of instructions there. So yeah, I think we better have a looky-loo and start getting the Lego out so we can see what we got in these bags of brick goodness, folks. So yeah, but keep the instructions on your desk as you go because it really will come in handy. Look at that. Wow. So let's have a quick sort out and see which one goes with which bike, and then we can marry it all up. You've got your kit number written on the front there, so we can match this up with the appropriate set of instructions. 23002 is the H2. So there you go. Nice. Right, as you can see, if by magic, there's the contents for the Panigale. Look at the size of them tyres, folks. So I'm wondering about 1/8 scale, something like that. So yeah, fair old size. It's going to take up a fair old bit of shelf space, but it'll go in the bike display. But look at this, you've got your forks, you've got your wheels, all of that going on. And all the bags are numbered as well. So I need to marry them up so that I know what the correct number bags I've got. So I think this is done in sections, folks. I'm not 100% sure. I need to Ben James's earhole because he's a bit more of an expert on this stuff than I am. But yeah, it looks like it's all numbered and it's done by sections. So I'll ask him, and then when it comes to building it, we can make a start. But you've got all your numbered windows at the top there. So I can only assume that's what it is. We'll soon find out. But yeah. But look at that. Got all the frame, you got all the engine stuff, and from what I've seen in a couple of the bits, you get the pistons inside the engines, the lot. So there's all your fixings, join all your frame bits together. Absolute bags of goodness all over this bench, and I am quite surprised at how intricate these are looking. So I'm really up for the challenge of this. So yeah, everything neatly packed, everything looks like it's there. I shall go through it and check, but yeah, absolutely stunning. And I think these RRP at about 17-18 quid, round about that. So yeah, I'm pleasantly pleased. When you think of what a model kit would cost for this rough size, and it's something different, because we all have a bit of mojo issues now and then, and for me this just gives me something different to do when I'm not able to film and that. So yeah, so I'll sit and do these quite happily. Saying that, I'll probably film a couple of these, but I might end up doing these live as well, folks. So click that bell, subscribe, and keep an eye out, because I might just do a few random live streams with this stuff as well, where I'm just at the bench killing a bit of time and spend a bit of time with folks. So keep an eye out for them. Don't forget the description for this website, Your World of Building a Blocks, is in the description below this video, as are links to each of these bikes that I'm showing you, folks. So check them out, pop over to the website, have a looky-loo, bung some in your basket, and you can build along with me. I'm looking at starting these over the next month or so, so we'll get something going. So that's probably spring, summer 22. You've got your carbon fibre decals there for the H2 carbon, nice touch. A little QR code there that you can scan, that'll let you have a looky-loo at some more detailed instructions if you need it. So have a look at that, folks. But yeah, and then you got your frame bits, your cross members, all your fittings and all of that going on. Have you some of that. And again, another really well laid out set of instructions. And I'm liking what I'm seeing here, because yeah, like you say, there's going to be people out there that have never done this before. And at least you can see what's involved, what it should look like when you've added your bits to it. There's the crankshaft with all the pistons. Look at that lot. Cylinder head and everything. It's amazing, isn't it? How much highly detailed these little things are. I'm really over the moon with this. And it looks like they're similar to the Tamiya instructions there, where you've got the bits or the diagrams where you can lay a piece on the diagram just to make sure you got the right bit. But look at that lot. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? All nod. But yeah, super duper bendy pipage going on. But yeah, I'm really liking this lot. Nice touch. And again, I've got super service from these folks as well, peeps. Literally ordered them and they're on their way. Great email correspondence, keeping me posted on when stuff was dispatched, etc. And it arrived from the other side of the planet really promptly, folks. So bear that in mind. Obviously, at the moment, the folks over in China are in a bit of a lockdown because the world's on fire again. So bear that in mind at the moment, folks. This is May 2022, so yeah, there are maybe potential delays, but normally you get your stuff within 4 to 6 weeks. So yeah. And again, they will keep communication with you all the way through, because they are really good at that. I can't fault them for that. And here's the bags for the carbon. A rather small number 2 on there, as you can see, folks, for the people like me that are a bit blind. Yeah, so really well done. And these are the nice Ziploc bags as well, so you get some really nice bags for your greebles. And what I tend to do once I've opened the bags on these is I drop the old instructions in with the relevant kit, so I can then just grab it when I want to start on it, and I know that whatever's in that bag is what goes with that one. There you go, look at that. So that is the H2 carbon. That should leave the BMW now. Look at that. And that's the RAEL S1000RR. Look at that. And it kind of reminds me of the Africa Twin for some reason, folks. Just the look of it. I think it's the colour scheme. Matches, or is quite similar to the box art for the Africa Twin. But look at that. And there again, another nice set of decals. Nicely done. Looking rather suave, I must admit. And again, you've got all your destructions going on there with your piece window down the bottom there by my left fingers, as you can see. So you've got your bits there that you can just lay on there and match up the bits and bobs just to see whether you're on the right way. So yeah, I like that touch, I must admit. It's very similar to the Tamiya bikes where you get your brake pipes and and all of that. You can cut the lengths. So I like that. That's a nice touch. Then again, you've got your frame with your engine, all the bits and pieces going in and around it. Nice quality set of instructions, nicely presented. Looks pretty straightforward to follow, but you know Festa. If anyone's going to mess it up, it's going to be me. But look at that. What, isn't it? Yeah, you know you want one. Go on, click the link. But yeah. And I think a few of us have got these in and around the man caves at the moment. So we are probably going to be dropping in and out of each other's streams and popping in and saying hello whilst we're building these. So keep an eye out, folks. There's going to be a gaggle of us doing these. So yeah, keep you entertained, won't it? And it's something different for the channels as well. You know, nice little bit of Lego. Seems to be a vogue at the moment. A lot of folks are doing odd Lego cars and bikes, so why not? But look at that. Beautiful set of instructions. Beautifully photographed. And look at that. Another big bag of goodies. Look at the size of them wheels, folks. I really want to do brum brum noises, but I've got to be good. I can't do the brum brum noises until the bike is finished. But yeah, you know what'll happen. Yeah, why not? So yeah, again, another big bag of goodies. I shall put the instructions in with these, just so that I don't lose track of what's what. So we'll sort that out. And massive thanks to Loy and the folks over Your World of Building Blocks for shipping these over super fast. 3 beautiful bikes that I've got there that I'm going to be building. So until we start building them, stay safe out there. Pop over and have a look on the website. Go and share the love, and you can build these bikes along with me as and when we start. So I look forward to seeing you then. Like and subscribe to the channel, folks. If you want to support me, you can do on patreon.com/Festa67's workshop, or you can join the channel by clicking the join button and becoming a member. That will give you access to the Zoom 24/7 off-air hangout, and you get to meet me and Fox and loads of other people in the hangout, and you can just sit there and shoot the breeze and have a good giggle. So we look forward to seeing you then. Massive thanks again to Loy, and I'll look forward to building these on the channel. Bye bye for now. Ooh.